All the wires got to go in underneath.
Everything.
Oh, she's missing a controller.
I'm sorry?
She's-
Oh, I stole two. I'm sorry.
Okay.
You go from left. Once you have everything in there, then you put this side first, and simply pop it in. Yep, exactly.
I feel like I want to break
If you
it.
have a hard time, you need to slide straight. So now this is the crucial part. Use a little. We are now going to connect those two, power and the speed.
Okay.
The power is the tricky one. So if you look at your power button,